Hey guys, how are my Glow Tarts doing today? I hope everybody's well. This is for the Ipsy June bag. Now this is the standard regular subscription, the $10 one. Guys, they have teamed up with Tetris. It is going to be Tetris's 35th anniversary, so they've teamed up with Ipsy. They've got some products and stuff that are going to be in the bag, and not to mention there is 7 different bags for June. So you will be getting one of these 7. Now, I'm going to show you the bags, and I'm just going to go ahead and put them on the screen here. I don't know which one's showing right now. I'm not really into these bags, guys. I don't know what it is. I'm just not really into them. But if I had to choose, I guess the yellow one. But, I mean, you know, it's Tetris. And I'm assuming the Tetris is the game that, you know, we all played it. So they do have some products that they have actually teamed up and collabed with to put out. So those are very interesting. So I'm going to go ahead and show you the spoilers. Now I'm going to go kind of quick. So hopefully I'll have these lined up with the shots. So the first spoiler is going to be the Benefit Gimme Brow and Volumizing Eyebrow Gel, and it's in neutral deep brown. Then the next thing is Hey Honey Sweet Treat Wild Berry and Honey Yogurt Recovery Mask. Then the next 2 items is Tarte Amazonian Clay 12-Hour Full Coverage Foundation SPF 15 in Medium Sand, and also Glow for a Cause Lip Love Lip Balm in Flirt. Now the next 2 items, this is one of the Tetris and Ipsy items. It's Tetris and Ipsy Blending Brush, and also the Sugar Cosmetics Contour De-Force Mini Highlighter in Champagne Champion. Then the next 2 items, it shows a Benefit Gimme Brow again. Now, I'm assuming this is a different shade. It just doesn't show which shade it is. And also a Tetris and Ipsy Lip Balm in L33T. Now, the next 2 items is a Huda Beauty Lip Strobe in Angelic, and also Pixie by Petra Glow Mud Cleanser. And then the next 2 items is another Tetris and Ipsy collab. It's a highlighter in Tetris Life. Very cute. I like that. And also the Tarte Amazonian Clay 12-Hour Full Coverage Foundation. And again, it's showing it again because I'm assuming there's a different shade. And if you missed the last spoilers, there is Sugar Cosmetic Contour De-Force Mini Blush. Then we have the Laneige Water Bank Moisturizer Cream, and then the Elizabeth Mott All Over Shadow Brush. Then we have a Real Her Moisturizing Lipstick, and then the Jante Blue, I think that's how you say that, lip liner, or not lip liner, it's a liquid eyeliner, and this is the Ultra Lasting Formula is what it's called. Then next we have the Numa New Moisturizer Instafix. I believe that's how you say that. Then Delectable by Cake Beauty Triple Citrus Blend Butter Wash Body Polish. Wow, what a mouthful. Could you ever, guys? And the last thing is Nature 3-Step Sheet Mask Set. And I'm assuming that's how you pronounce that. Probably not. You guys know I butcher everything. So this is what we have so far for the June Glam Bag. So I'm excited to see what else they put out, especially with collabing with Tetris. And congratulations to Tetris on their 35th year anniversary. So as always, Ipsy is linked below for your convenience. Go check them out. Guys, make sure your bell is on. That way you're notified every time I upload a video. You do not want to miss any spoilers. Also, guys, rate the video. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it. Give it a thumbs down if you didn't. Also, hurtful, guys. Very hurtful. But as long as YouTube sees you're watching my videos, I guess it don't really matter. But it's still hurtful. And one more tiny favor before you guys go. Please go ahead and hit that subscribe button and join my Glow Tart family. We would love to have you. And I love you guys so much. And I will see you in the next one. Bye, guys.